All right, so we're going to update our Google Sites with some reflections about our latest project. So your home page should be updated with a paragraph about your STEM homepage product and embedding pictures and videos. So this is what your STEM page should look like. Then you go to the All About Me page and you should have just your embedded All About Me slideshow in here. And then what we're going to do is we're going to focus on our STEM projects page and our reflections. So home page should be updated and done. All About Me page should be updated and done. Now we're on the STEM 8 projects. And under the STEM 8 projects is that each project is going to get their reflection. So the first project we're going to do is the All About Me. So I think I'm going to put a title so I know which project I am talking about and title it All About Me. We even do slideshow. And so I know that underneath this title it's going to include a paragraph about my reflections about that. So underneath you can either double click or hit insert text box. So I just double click, so I just put a text box. And then you are going to write a paragraph about your reflections about what you've learned about the All About Me slideshow. And this paragraph can include what was the most challenging part of the activity. Another idea is what things did you practice and learn during your making of the slideshow? And that could be embedding a video, that could be just posting and publishing your Google slide, that could be all the emojis, that could be what I've learned. One thing I've learned is that transparency of pictures and the background. Those are ideas. And then what skills did you apply during this activity? And that could be another way to communicate your favorite things. That could be pictures and embedding. That could be you really like sharing a story with pictures. All those things. What skills did you practice? Or you really like just the technology aspect of making a slideshow? And then finally, you could write a sentence about if you were to do this activity again, what would you do differently? And so you need a paragraph, so you need 3 to 4 sentences. So after each question or on each question, you need to respond with sentences of what was the most challenging part of the activity, what things did you practice or learn, what skills did you apply, what was your favorite thing about the activity, if you were to do this activity again, what would you do differently? And so that's All About Me slideshow. Reflection. And you can, this is your page, so you can get as creative as you want with that paragraph. If you want to add an image, you can upload an image right next to it. You say, upload an image right next to it, and I want to make it smaller, and I want to move it right next to it. You can. Maybe you can try it uploading a little bit of your slideshow right next to it if you want. Anything that is like just a reflection of what you've learned. So just make sure what I'm grading you on is that paragraph of your reflection of your All About Me slideshow.